you doing? I'm Chef Anthony Monti over here at Surrey in Lake Worth. Today what we're gonna make is we have mussels, clams, garlic and oil, very simple, steamed with white wine, finished with fried spinach and crustinis. A little bit of oil, got some garlic in there. A little bit more garlic. Cook this down until the garlic gets nice and brown. All right, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of white wine. Cover it up. Let the wine do its job. Steam, open up the clams and the mussels. Okay, so just check on them, maybe take another minute. You wanna make sure that they're all open. Take another minute there. So that's it, as soon as they all open up, finish it with a little bit of butter, a little bit of parsley. Mussels, clams, a little bit of flash fried spinach, a few crustinis. There you have it, that's simple. It's clams, mussels, garlic, and oil.